Hello and welcome to the SatonmyButt channel. Now, one of the things that I really like about reviewing products is that occasionally I get a pot like this with no label on. It's not been released yet, and so I get a bit of a try before everyone else to see what it's like. Now, obviously you've guessed it's in a jar. It is a beard balm, and so that makes me very happy because I do love a beard balm. It would have a base of shea butter, organic beeswax, hemp seed oil and argan oil, and that tells me it's a Balbo Beard Co. beard balm. And this one that I've got here is the lemon sherbet, or the Sherbet Lemon, can't remember which way around it was. I recently reviewed the oil for this and gave it a Golden Beard Award, part of the Retro Sweet Shop range. And I'll just tell you that the balm works very well indeed. It is that those sherbet lemons, lemon sherbets is not sure sweets, and it has got the scent exactly. It's not overly sweet, it's not too subtle, it's just right, and you put some on and it just reminds you of those sweets instantly, brings back those memories of those sweets we used to buy loose. And of course, no surprise, the dog is off barking because I'm doing a review. As of yet, I don't have a price because they're not out yet. It's all a going to be happening soon thing. balbobeardco.co.uk. Lemon sherbet, sherbet lemon beard balm, and it is going to get itself one of them. Beautiful, beautiful scent. It really is. I do like the sweet scents. Couple that with a creamy, smooth balm that scoops easily from the jar. It's a medium consistency and very, very good. And that is that. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you next time. Take care.